turn to Allah. Welcome to our channel. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has not only described the stories of His messengers to guide us, but also promised His strong believers in certain cases, out of which there are 4 unbreakable promises by Allah to His believers, which I am gonna mention today in this video. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made these 4 promises to ensure His blessings and love to His believers. So, the first promise is, remember me and I will remember you. In this promise, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has described the blessings of remembrance of Allah. We must know that remembering Allah is considered as pleasing Him, thanking Him, fearing Him, and being grateful to Him for whatever He bestowed us with and for His mercy hereafter. So, Allah has described the reward of remembering Him as His special attention toward those remembering or pleasing Him. Do not carry the worries of this life, because this is for Allah. And do not carry the worry of subsistence, because it is from Allah. And do not carry the anxiety for future, because it is in the hands of Allah. Just carry one thing: how to please Him, how to remember Him. Because if you please Him, it is the only way He pleases you. It is the only way He pleases you, fulfills you, and enriches you. And no doubt that remembrance of Allah is the only source to achieve peace of mind and heart and our souls as well. So, promise number 2 is, if you are grateful, I will surely increase you in favor. In this promise, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has ensured His believers that being grateful to Allah will not only remove your negativity, but being grateful or thankful to Allah for whatever you are or you have will increase the blessings, favors, and mercy and the things you have got as well to the next level. So be thankful, be contented, and pay gratitude for His blessings to Allah. Promise number 3 is, call upon me and I will respond to you. Through this promise, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ensures His believers that those who not only believe in Allah but believe in His eternity will call upon Him, and for those who truly and sincerely call upon His Lord, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will definitely respond to Him. And those Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala respond to are the most blessed on this earth, because Allah responds to the most pious and closed ones. So, the promise number 4 is, and Allah will not punish them while they seek forgiveness. This promise insists to seek forgiveness from Allah and ensures those who seek forgiveness that they will not be punished by Allah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the forgiver. He will surely forgive us, but those who will be seeking forgiveness sincerely and not committing those sins ever again will be the ones who will not be punished by Allah. Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is all-knowing also. So He's aware of what is in our heart and what is on our lips. So, my dear brothers and sisters, stop getting attached to temporary things and get attached to Allah's promises. The stars may fall, but Allah's promises will stand and be fulfilled. Verily, Allah does not back out of His promises. We can't always see where the road leads, but Allah's promises. There is something better up ahead. We just have to trust Him, because Allah does not break His promises. And I assure you that at the end, you will come to realize that it is only Allah who kept His promises. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel to get close to Allah.